You going in circles? Oh, where are you now?
Need gas.
You need gas?
No, I mean
Grass, not gas, grass. You're right.
need gas.
Put it in the trunk. Put Owl in his car seat. Here you go. You ready to go?
Yeah.
Where are you going? Where are you driving to?
Do
You going to Target?
yeah.
You going to Target? What are you going to get at Target?
Okay. Bye-bye.
French fries?
Bubbles.
Pea-ball balls?
Beeps. Apples.
Apples?
Yeah. Do bubbles.
Balls?
Yeah. Bites.
Fries?
Bites.
Yeah? Alright, I'll see you later. Turn your car on. Press the beep beep. Drive it in my car. Drive it in my car. Drive it all the way to Minneapolis in my car. Bye. And here he goes. Off to Target.